So we have got this part panapa. I can solve the inequality. 2 multiplied by the bracket x minus 3 tochinzi less than 7 panapa tina marks akawanda, which is 2 marks. Then for item 2 we have to write down the largest perfect square that satisfies this inequality. So tisataenda iri part 2 we have to first work out the first section yedu. We are going to rewrite this inequality yakanzi 2 multiplied by the bracket of x minus 3 less than 7. So we are going to say 2 multiplied by x minus 3 less than 7 ndo the inequality atase yatinayo. Shaka tinongoweka sezvatinongoita my equations. First thing we have to remove my brackets. 2 times x panapa we are getting 2x, then 2 times minus 3 tukubata 1 minus 6, then we say less 7. Chava ipapo we are going to say 2x less than 7 plus 6. So tuvata chiti 2x less than 7 plus 6 tuvata 113. We divide both sides by 2. Saka urikuwana x less than 13 over 2, or 13 over 2 wako akangofana ngoti 6 and a half. Saka urikuwana 6 and a half like this one, right? Tava ipapa tashika on this stage anditika titarisa ndo answer yedu atiri kuwana panapa ishi, the one which is shown from this case. Then isusu tobva tadzokera from the section yedu atinayo tiri kunzi write down the largest perfect square that satisfies this inequality. Isusu tiri kunzi pa inequality yedu ishi yakanzi x less than 6 and a half anditika. Saka iwewe zvaunenge uchitanga kuita, or the working principle yakufanatanga kuita, you have to write down atinenge tichiti ma perfect squares acho kubva pana 0 kana kuti kubva pana tongoti kubva kana pana 1 kusvika pana 6 and a half watinayo kuti satisfy this equation, that is this inequality. Shaka ma perfect squares atagara tinawo, for example tina 1 kwatinoziva, tina 4, tina 9, then tina 16. Panditarisa 9 na 16 avazi murange yedu yatiri kuti x less than 6 and a half. Patiri kuti x is less than 6 and a half, tiri kuti x ari pasi pa 6 and a half, mudiki kuna 6 and a half. Saka pasi pa 6 and a half ndi api ma perfect square atinowana. For example, the largest perfect square atichawana iri pasi pa 6 and a half ndiani? Ndi 4. That is why panapa tiri kutora 4 as our final answer. So the largest less than 6 and a half a perfect square yedu is 4.